Hi and welcome to Treasurie. I'm Louisa and today I'm going to show you how to make a Puffy Daisy Square. If we have a close look, you can see that the petals are actually raised up, and this gives a lovely three-dimensional look, which is quite different from the daisy that we did yesterday, which was completely flat. For this granny square, you're going to need some worsted weight cotton yarn. These ones are from Paint Box, and the hook will depend on what kind of look you want. For this one I used a 4.5mm, and I'd say it's a medium puffiness, and for this one I used a 5mm, and it does stick out quite a lot more. So let's start. First up is a slip knot on your hook, and we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will now join that into the first chain with a slip knot. So insert, yarn over and pull through that other loop on the hook, and we have a little ring. If you're experienced, you can use a magic ring instead, but that's a great easy way for beginners. We will now chain 3, 1 and 2 and 3. That counts as our first double crochet. We're now going to do 15 double crochet into the ring. Double crochet is yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so we need 14 more. Here we go, we've finished our 15 double crochet, which counts as 16 stitches since the chain 3 at the beginning counts as a stitch. And here's a little beginner tip. If you crochet over the tail as you go around, you can actually pull it tight at the end and make that middle hole a lot smaller. Just like that. Now we're going to join the round by doing a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. There we go, there's our center. Just fasten that off. And we're ready for the petals. I'm going to use white for the petals. Don't forget daisies come in many colors. You could use a pretty pink. To join the new yarn, we're going to insert the hook into any stitch, put the slip knot on the end and pull it through. We're now going to chain 4. Chaining 4 counts as a treble. We now need to treble 3 together. So trebles are yarn over twice, insert into the base of the chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Now normally we would finish that off, but instead we're going to start another one. Yarn over twice, insert, same place, yarn over and pull through. That's 5 on the hook there. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. We now have 3. Again, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over and pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we have 4 on the hook, and we're going to finish that off. Yarn over, pull through all 4. So that gives us quite a puffy looking petal. Chain 1 to finish off the petal. And we're now going to do the next petal. This will be a treble 4 together. So yarn over twice, and now we're going into the next stitch. Insert, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, we're going to do exactly that 3 more times. So yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 3 on the hook. Okay, again, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 4 on the hook, and we need to do 1 more. Yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We now have 5 on our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all 5. just pull it up a little bit so those loops loosen up. Yarn over, pull through 5, and don't forget the chain stitch to finish it off. You now need to do that all the way around. Now, it looked like a lot of steps, but it's actually very repetitive. Once you've done 1 or 2 by yourself, you will get the hang of it. So just persist, and I'll put the instructions up on the screen right now. Here we go, here's our petals done. We have 16 petals, and to join it, do a slip stitch into the 4th chain. You can now fasten that off, and we're done with the white. Now you might be thinking it looks quite ruffled. In order to make your petals pop, just turn it upside down and individually just press out each petal. So just stick your thumb into it. And if we flip it over now, you'll see that it looks quite three-dimensional and puffy. I'm just going to go away now and weave in all the loose ends, and then we'll start on the outside. Ready for the next colour? We're going to join it in any of the chain spaces. So insert your hook, put the knot on the end and pull it through, and now chain 3. That counts as the first double crochet. Do another double crochet into the space. Chain 2 for the corner. And 2 more double crochet in the same space. That's our first corner. And now for the side. We're going to do 2 half double crochet in the next space. So half double crochet is yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 3. So that's 1 and 2. Now we're going to do 2 single crochet in the next space. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So 1 and 2 single crochet. 2 half double crochet in the next space. And we're up to the next corner. Move along to the next space. Corners are 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. So 2, 2, 2, all in the same space. That's our corner, and we're now going to repeat. So we have the next side, corner, and side, and then we will join it up. Here we are back to the beginning, slip stitch, and we're ready for our next colour. Here's our final colour. Do a slip knot, and we're going to join it into any corner. So usual way of joining, insert your hook and put the slip knot on the end and pull through and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This counts as the first double crochet. 1 more double crochet into the corner, 2 chains and 2 more double crochet into that same corner. This last round is really easy because it's all double crochets. You'll now do 2 double crochets into each space along to the next corner. We're at the corner, and usual way, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And there's what we have so far. Just repeat, so we have a side with another corner, side, and then when you need to join it up, join it into the 3rd chain with a slip stitch. Here's our finished square, and we're going to fasten off. It will need blocking just so it sits a little flatter. I'll show you how that looks. Here's my wooden blocking mat. Just put it on the pegs, stretch it out and give it a good spray. You just want to lift up the petals with a hook. That way when it dries, it'll dry nice and puffy. Here's our blocked granny square. Look how lovely they look, nice and puffy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.